The magic tomato. The discovery of tomato for Italian cuisine. The discovery of tomatoes and their incorporation into Italian cuisine is a fascinating tale that dates back several centuries. Although tomatoes are now synonymous with Italian cooking, they were not originally a part of the country's culinary traditions. Tomatoes are native to the Americas and were unknown in Europe until the 16th century, when European explorers, including Christopher Columbus, set foot on the shores of the New World. They encountered the vibrant red fruits for the first time and brought tomato seeds back with them to Europe. Initially, tomatoes faced skepticism and even fear among Europeans. Some people believed that they were poisonous, as they belonged to the same family as deadly nightshade plants. Due to this misconception, tomatoes were primarily grown as ornamental plants rather than being consumed as food. Italy, in particular, played a significant role in the acceptance and popularization of tomatoes. The southern regions of Italy, such as Naples and Sicily, were among the first to embrace tomatoes in their cuisine. The warm climate and fertile soil of these regions provided ideal conditions for tomato cultivation. It is believed that the first recorded tomato recipe appeared in a Neapolitan cookbook published in 1692. This cookbook featured a recipe for a tomato sauce called salsa alla spagnola, Spanish sauce, which included tomatoes, onions, and various spices. This marked an early instance of tomatoes being used as an ingredient in Italian cooking. Over time, tomatoes gained popularity in Italy, particularly in Naples, where they became a staple ingredient. The introduction of tomatoes into Italian cuisine revolutionized many traditional dishes. One of the most iconic Italian dishes, pizza, owes its distinctive flavor to the addition of tomato sauce as a base. As the culinary influence of Naples spread throughout Italy, tomatoes became increasingly embraced in regional cuisines. Italian chefs and home cooks started incorporating tomatoes into pasta sauces, soups, stews, and various other dishes. Tomatoes brought vibrant color, rich flavor, and a delightful acidity to Italian recipes, enhancing their taste profiles. By the 18th and 19th centuries, tomatoes had firmly established themselves as an essential ingredient in Italian cuisine. Italian immigrants who settled in different parts of the world, including the United States, brought their culinary traditions with them, including their love for tomatoes. This played a significant role in popularizing Italian-American cuisine, which heavily features tomato-based dishes such as spaghetti with marinara sauce. Today, tomatoes are an integral part of Italian cooking, forming the foundation of beloved dishes like pasta al pomodoro, caprese salad, and bruschetta. Italians take great pride in the quality and flavor of their tomatoes, and various regions are known for specific tomato varieties, such as San Marzano tomatoes from Campania. The discovery and incorporation of tomatoes into Italian cuisine have left an indelible mark on culinary history. This humble fruit has become synonymous with the flavors and aromas that we associate with Italian cooking, enriching countless dishes and delighting taste buds around the world. Thanks for watching.